Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoover. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Let's clear the frog. Hope you're all well today. We have got another little unboxing to do from Hoover Master. This box arrived yesterday, unlike the other one that I've had for a month hanging around. This one is going to get unboxed very quickly. So, let's take off the seal. Now I know a number of you aren't particularly interested in the unboxing videos, but I like the unboxing videos. I don't often get to do kind of like new unboxings, but I do like these sort of we don't know what's inside kind of thing. Because I don't know what's inside this either. What do we have? First of all, we have some bits. Let's take a look at the bits. I love the bits. I got some bits there from the other unboxing. We have got Agitator Brushes for the Hoover Junior 1, 3, 3, 4, 3, 8, 4, 6 and 5, 4. Thank you so much for these. Brilliant. I could do with a couple of sets of these, so fantastic. We have some Hoover Agitator bearings. From Qualtex, but still fantastic, really good, love it, brilliant, they'll work perfectly. Here we have another Hoover Junior belt, I can see there. This is for the Hoover Junior. And we have a bag. Ooh, a genuine bag as well. Wow, this is a genuine bag. This is the bag assembly for the Junior upright cleaners 1346 and the 1354, and it is a genuine Hoover bag with the Hoover logo, and also I can feel inside there it's also got the that's just amazing, absolutely amazing, fantastic. Thank you so much for this, that is brilliant. So we have some bits there, and I'm going to keep this bag because that's very handy for wrapping things up. That's one side. Oh gosh, we have... I know what this is. I know what this is. Here is a big giveaway to what this is. Look. An original blue Hoover bag. Two parts of the handle, a cable, and a Hoover Junior Dirtsearcher, everybody. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is so cool. This isn't for me. This is a project that I have that I'm going to be doing for Hoover Master. Hoover Master has this vacuum cleaner, and it is in a very, very sorry state. Let's plug it in, if I dare. Let's switch it on. Ooh, that motor sounds as dry as my old cooch. Try it again. So it is working. And it does have good airflow on it, because I can feel that coming out to the back, but unfortunately this poor girl is in a very, very sorry state indeed. As you can see, the bag zip doesn't open, but we will be able to save this. But we're not going to be using this bag because, let me just have a quick look. So that took a lot of rummaging around, but I knew I had it somewhere, and I did find it, and it is this almost new Hoover Junior bag for it, with a fully operational zip, all clean and all ready to be used So I am going to take this one. I will clean it up, but this is the bag that we are going to be putting on this Hoover Junior Dirtsearcher that I'm going to be refurbing for Hoover Master. So I want him to have this because he has sent to me for some absolutely amazing machines and always offers me anything that's coming up. So as a big thank you to him, I'm going to do this refurb for him with a new bag. So that is what that is for. So, and he sent me a genuine one as well for another one, so that's really sweet. So I have a vacuum cleaner that needs to go on actually, so this is what I'm going to do. So there we go. So there are all the parts that I have to be doing. Let's take off this. So it is in pretty good condition. There's a little bit of retro brighting here. I don't know how far I'm going to be going with the motor on this. Possibly it will be all the way. The handle bail on it works fine, which is a miracle. The foot pedal is a little bit bent, but I'm going to sort that out. And yeah, there we go. Now, I've never actually done a refurb on a Hoover Junior Dirtsearcher before, because this has got added electronics on it. The label on it is a bit manky, but yeah, this is going to come up really good. This, for example, is not going to take much refurbing at all. It is in very good condition, apart from polishing and cleaning up. We've got a good base to stand on. We are going to be changing the bulb to an LED because there's a tiny little bit of heat damage there on the inside, which is a problem with these ones. So I'm going to put it in an LED bulb for it to replace it. I'm going to put in a warm white LED so you won't be able to tell the difference, but we'll get this up lovely and polished. So yes, that's my next little project that I'm going to be doing. So this for now is just a quick unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned for the full refurb in a series of this amazing Hoover Junior Dirtsearcher. So until then, I'll see you soon. Bye!